guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Tita, and today's video I'm going to bring you, finally, after so long. I actually don't remember the last time that I filmed these type of videos, but I just want to bring you guys a studio diaries. So for today's studio diaries, we have two different things that I want to show you. First of all, we have to make orders, to ship them, to pack them, and to do everything related to that. And then we also have to organize the studio. If you don't know, the studio that I have is just kind of a part of my bedroom, and it's just really an IKEA furniture that I have, but it's chaotic and I have stuff just laying around my bedroom, and so I want to get organized. This is going to be a very chill video, but I don't know, I feel like I also would like to see one of these type of videos, and I'll share with you everything that I'm doing, every step that I'm taking. And yeah, so we have two candles to make, and these are the candles that they ordered. These are the new candles that I just launched, and these are 100% soy candle. You have these transparent like label where you can personalize. I've mentioned on the last video, but you can personalize the name and also the definition, and then you open and you have these dry leaves that you can also personalize. In terms of colors, we have blue, green, and these kind of like beige brown aesthetics. And then you have a cork lid, which is perfect because we ship from Portugal, and this is just kind of our identity. And so I'm very excited, and it's just like this, which is perfect not only for this type of season of fall, but also to just offer Christmas time. And we have also everything that we've made last year, like all the Christmas products and everything available. So yeah, I'm very excited. We do ship worldwide, so if you're watching these and you want very affordable, just like gifts, home decor, or stationery, you can follow here. You can watch everything that we have. What I really want to do with my small business is just to help you to reduce anxiety, reduce stress, just providing you a very cozy, relaxing environment, and also organizations and kind of stationery that will help you to organize your day. And then with the stationery, I really just want to help you to just create this environment where you can work without any kind of messy or chaotic mind. You have weekly planners and also notepads that I think they're so adorable. They're 100% recycled, so I'm very excited. And yeah, now let's get to the point of this video. Let's make some orders because the wax have to dry for 24 hours, and as well as the labels. So let's go.
Georgia, wrap me up in all your, I want you in my arms, so let me hold you. I'll never let you go again, like I did. Oh, I used to say I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the dark.
I'll trade my pillow for your company. You know I'd find a window of opportunity to paint a rainbow of silk and call it serendipity.
Good morning, guys. So today it is the next day. I am in my sweater weather comfortable clothing. As you can probably tell, it's not a very great weather outside, which I love. I love this type of weather where you just want to
snuggle and be comfortable and cozy while just, you know, having, I don't know, candles of Meraki official design, small business on Instagram. I don't know. What I wanted to say is good morning. Welcome to another day here in the Studio Diaries. I've already cut the labels for the candles and I've already how do you call it? But they're just flat. With my hot gun, I just flat all the candles, and now it's time for me to decorate with the dry leaves that we have on this edition, and to clean everything and to prep everything to pack the orders. I hope the people that receive these orders like it as well. I miss doing these type of things, but it's just something that takes a lot of time to do because, well, you want to do, first of all, you want to do everything correct and perfect. I'm always anxious until the people that order things just contact back and say that they love, just because I don't know, it's something that I do, like handmade, so I don't know, I always get very anxious, like, are they gonna like it? Does it, I don't know, correspond to the expectations that they had? I'm loving doing this vlog just because it's something very cozy, very like these type of weather appropriate, and I'm very excited and happy that you're here. So let's continue on doing the candles, and yeah, have a wonderful day or night or week. But yeah, let's continue.
You're so irreplaceable, and everybody knows I want you, but I've always been so invisible to you. But I'm just waiting on you to pull back the curtains, and I've been standing on the sideline waiting till the time's right to make you mine. 'Cause ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me up. Imagination.
Now that the orders are made, I'm just going to let them dry until tonight to pack everything, and meanwhile we have to organize the bedroom slash the studio, and so that's what we are going to be doing. First of all, I'm going to place everything that I have related to my small business on my bed. I want to do this first just because I want to see what should go where and like create some type of groups within the objects and the things that I have. Let's go. Let's do it. I'm very excited to have finally my studio very organized and, I don't know, clean. Let's go.
And I drove 3 hours to feel the rain, 'cause I'm tired of the sun. And every morning all feels the same, where all the rainy days go. The gusts from New England chills my bones, thawed out by the California sun. Thing for me in the middle of January. Why am I in shorts? It's still warm. I drove 3 hours to feel the rain, 'cause I'm tired of the sun.
So this is the mess of my bedroom.
At the end of the day, I might never feel alright. Can't fall asleep, can't even close my eyes tonight. I cry my eyes out in the daytime, years come and go so fast. I cry my eyes out in the daytime.
So I have officially organized everything. Of course, there are some things that I still need to organize because I am making orders, but I feel like it's so much better now. So here are just random papers. Honestly, I didn't know where to put this, so I just put it here. Might change. We shall see how the workflow here is, and then if there is some need to change, I'll do that. Here is just leftovers for the inventory boxes that are over there. I still have to go through all of them to count every single piece and to place on my Excel sheet that I have there. Then I have here some candle related materials. Here's some scrapbook materials, washi tape and things like that. Here are things that I use whenever I'm preparing a package. For instance, I have here the freebies that I add, and then I also have here the thank you card. So much easier to just have everything in here. So here I have my Cricut, bubble wrap. I have here some things that I used to cut, and then here are just some papers, and then here just some random honestly paper. I don't know, it was just the only place that it fit, so it's okay. Here in this place is where I have my printer. This is just kind of a binder that I have with every single paper that I use, and just so much practical to have everything in one place. And then if I need more, I can just go to my closet and have more paper. This is the printer that I use. Then I have here my inventory things, the candle glass kind of jars that I'm so proud that I have those. Then I have here my weekly planner that I love. This is like my favorite product that we sell and no one really buys it. Then I have here the Carpe Diem notepad. Then here the small business ones, and here the let's have me time. This is just, you know, it for me. I love this section. So here are some candle jars that I used on previous collections, but I still sell those, so if anyone wants, I'll just have here. And also acrylics to do the Spotify acrylic plate. These are just more of thank you cards and so on. Here's some shipping bags, and then some more paper and more paper, and also more thank you cards. And here are some packages. Then here I just have random papers, and here just random things that I honestly just wanted to hide. Then I cannot forget that this is still my bedroom, and so here's some hygiene products and makeup, some more over here. And what you can see is that I have here some like backdrops that I use for photo shoots, and then here is just some bubble wrap that I have from other orders that I did, for example from Amazon. I just, you know, keep everything so I can just use for my own orders. I don't have a lot of things that I can change on my bedroom, but I feel like it's so much more organized now, and I finally can focus my energy on doing my thesis.
Saturdays back in 05, flip-flops with the socks high. My dad was driving me down to the Diamond. Backseat, and I thought I was gonna make it big time. Maybe it's crazy to think we're the same kid. It's just circles in my head. I've been running after something I know money couldn't help. Always starving for my purpose, maybe I ain't found it yet. Honest questions with my mother, all these things you think you want.
Orders are made, and I'm very happy. As you can see, now I have a very chaotic workspace just because I just finished packing the 2 orders that we made. I feel like that concludes this video. I really hope you guys liked it. You have been with me through one of the most coziest and relaxed days so far, so thank you for being there, and I hope you enjoyed these studio diaries. I don't do them a lot just because I also don't have a bunch of orders. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to share the love and positivity down below in the comment section. I love you all so much, and thank you for just sticking by and watch the video with me. But yeah, I love you all so much, and I'll see you on my next video. stay safe and stay happy.